Hey, this is OpenBox and welcome to another video. Just before we start, I would like to announce that I'm doing a £20 Amazon gift card. I'll be doing this giveaway at 100 subscribers, as 76.6% of you aren't actually subscribed. So if we hit this, I'll be doing that. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the Razer Basilix Essential is a gaming mouse. It has a 6400 dpi optical sensor. Okay, so the box, if you open it, you'll straight away see there's another box inside. Okay, so if you open it, which I will do in a moment, okay, so right in front of you there is the mouse, and on the right it is the USB for the mouse. Under it is actually a little side button which is attachable whether you like it. However, if you don't have to, it is optional. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so here it is. It is a right-handed mouse. It is optimized for a right-handed person, so it fits comfortably and it's actually very comfortable. The buttons are very nicely clicky, so it does not disturb anyone, but it actually feels very comfortable. Okay, so the USB is actually protected by a little. It does have a quite long cable, which is very nice for a gaming PC. Okay, so here's that button. Okay, so if you just plug it in, it does have a Razer Chroma light. So it does have over, I'm pretty sure, 16.8 million customizable color options, which is a very good and long options to choose from. So there is the famous green. Okay, so when you actually plug it in, you are greeted with the Razer gaming software. It automatically starts to download the software. Okay, from there you can choose different styles for the LED or the different button options. It does have different static breathing or just solid color options to choose from, which is actually very good for a customized and like really chosen color setups. So there are a lot of colors to choose from, which is very good about this mouse. Okay, so that is it for the Razer Basilix Essential Gaming Mouse.